In the quaint little town of Sugarvale, where the air always seemed to carry the scent of freshly baked bread and sweet cinnamon, stood a small, magical bakery called the Kind Crust. The bakery wasn't just famous for its mouth-watering treats, its golden pies, gooey cookies, and fluffy pastries were rumored to have a special kind of magic. Anyone who tasted them found their hearts a little lighter, their smiles a little brighter, and their days a lot kinder. The secret behind the magic? The bakery's owner, an elderly woman named Miss Marigold, infused every treat with a sprinkle of kindness. Her secret ingredient wasn't just a mystical powder but her unwavering belief that sharing kindness could change the world. But not everyone in Sugarvale believed in her magic. One day, Miss Marigold announced a grand baking competition to find her next apprentice. The prize was not only the recipe to her most beloved creation, the kindness cupcake, but also the chance to carry on her legacy. Bakers from all over Sugarvale flocked to join, including 4 very different contestants. Tommy, a shy young boy who loved baking but had never shared his treats with anyone outside his family. Greta, a fiercely competitive pastry chef determined to win at all costs. Lila, a kind-hearted florist who dreamed of making people smile with her creations. Max, a grumpy old man who claimed he only entered because his neighbor dared him to. The challenge was simple: bake a treat that could brighten someone's day. But there was a twist. Each contestant would be paired with someone they didn't get along with, a rival, a critic, or even someone they barely knew. They'd have to learn to work together, share ingredients, and combine their ideas to create something extraordinary. As the competition began, chaos erupted. Greta refused to share her secret chocolate stash, Max grumbled about everything from the flour to the mixing bowls, and Tommy was too nervous to speak up. But Miss Marigold watched with a twinkle in her eye, knowing the magic of kindness was about to work its charm. As the days went by, the contestants faced challenges that tested their patience and creativity. Greta had to rely on Tommy's delicate touch for decorating, while Max found himself laughing at Lila's silly jokes. Slowly, they began to realize that kindness wasn't just about sharing sugar or lending a rolling pin, it was about understanding, teamwork, and believing in one another. On the final day of the competition, the contestants presented their creations to Miss Marigold. Each dish had a story. Greta and Tommy created a chocolate cake filled with layers of encouragement, Lila and Max baked a pie that combined their contrasting flavors into a perfect harmony. But Miss Marigold's decision wasn't about who baked the best treat. She chose all of them, declaring that kindness wasn't a competition, it was a recipe everyone could master if they tried. Henceforth, the magic of kindness spread beyond the bakery as the contestants continued baking treats that brought people together. Sugarvale became a town where kindness wasn't just a sprinkle in a cupcake, it was the very heart of the community. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.